In my experience, the problem with images has always been that they're not shown by default. So I really limit how many images I'm using that people have to click to display them. I think in this case, you have that initial checkout email that they've received and hopefully opened. You have that initial engage, confirm my subscription to this list. When emails aren't getting sent or received, a lot of it has to do with whether that email address has interacted with your email address ever before. Some of it is how Google or any email um, program people are using looks at your domain as a whole and the health of everyone receiving it. If you send to 50,000 Gmail addresses, Google can aggregate that data and say, every time Jamie emails, everyone clicks the images and give you a boost behind the scenes, like a secret boost. But I think mostly in these membership sites, we're not talking about that type of scale initially. So really, it's just as long as you're sending content that people are opening and engaging with, that'll improve the delivery for them. So I think of it more on a one-to-one basis. And I would absolutely experiment. I would try some emails where you include an image and some where you exclude it, and then evaluate those open rates and click-throughs and see if some are performing better than others. I think in the membership site, the goal, you want to get them back to the membership site, get them into the community, get them browsing around and seeing other features and things. So I would spend less time designing emails, less time working on images unless they're critical to the content of your email.